And the last ride that we're gonna do in the Dino Parc area is Le Safari, which is a like a little car or a train ride rather. So same kind of concept, going around seeing some dinos, but it should be fun. Et voici, nous avons les infos de Dino. First thing we get to see is the maintenance bay.
You've never seen that one.
And a makeshift owl. Owls are dinosaurs, of course, because they are birds, and birds are dinosaurs. Hey Quentin! Then we have our first dinosaur, a Triceratops! Hello, Mr. Triceratops! Then we have a Stegosaurus from the Jurassic period. Want to hear a fun dinosaur fact, Amanda? Did you know that T-Rexes lived closer in time to us than they did to Stegosaurus?
I did not know.
Yep. Then we have an Ankylosaurus. And then this is a Dimetrodon. They're not actually dinosaurs, but they're synapsids, which are more closely related to mammals like us.
Wow.
So that guy's maybe your great grandfather.
Holy cow, that's great!
Then we missed this one. This is either a Stygimoloch or a Pachycephalosaurus. I'm gonna go with Pachycephalosaurus on that one.
I feel like I know this might be silly guys, but I feel like we're on the dinosaur train from TVO Kids.
Oh my god, dinosaur train! That's a throwback.